Basically, this is the office area. That's my cabin. This is where the manthan starts. So when the marketing, we say, this is the brief, this is how we want it, etc. So then on the basis of that, we build concepts. These guys make all the mock-ups and everything. So he does secondary packaging, which is basically the boxes. This is our genealogy of packaging
over the years.
This is the engineering department. This is something that they've been working on. Once we say yes, we can move forward, then he does the engineering drawings. Then we send it to the
glass
manufacturers. Then our head of R&D. So we have a very, very strong R&D. This is the raw material lab. So this is where a lot of the initial mixing happens. If we are doing something internally. If we are doing it externally, फिर तो क्या है, sample आया, बनाया आया, ले लिया. This is the essence of oud. So this is a research lab, but it's almost dedicated to oud. So all different types of oud, they extract different components out of it, and then they test for things like if we are going to use oud that will be submerged with fragrance, वो जलेगा तो कैसे होगा. I mean, nobody has done as much research on oud as much as we've done. This is a microbiology laboratory. So here they do a lot of the microbiology testing. This is the instrumentation lab, the one that I told you, which is a very, very high tech. This is where we really, not only are we able to break down a fragrance, we can even smell parts of it through here. So this is just a general lab. This is where the UV testing happens, color testing happens. So this is all the colors. You have to do a lot of testing on the mechanics and the workings of the packaging itself. Saif Ali Khan did a video on one of our products called Wisal. That's Wisal concentrate being made over there. So this is where the final perfume is blended in terms of the concentrate, as we saw back there, with alcohol and water. So this is the filling area. So there are 3 ranges happening at the moment. First, they will put the bottle in this. It's called a puck. This will go all the way to the end. Here is where the cleaning happens. This is where we bring it. Now this is another process. All these guys do is they put the atomizer inside, which gets crimped in its place. So then we will put something called a collar. And then obviously the checking is happening before we start a new project. This is a mock-up that is created that shows all the components and everything of any product that will be worked on.